Hello and welcome to this video series on advanced iOS development with Swift. My name is Jonathan Wilson. I have 5 years experience in iOS. I'm currently a senior iOS developer in a New York startup. I consider myself a Swift expert. With those 5 years, 4 of them have been writing Swift. My hobbies include side projects. I have many apps in the App Store. I love rowing. I'm in the rowing team. And I enjoy traveling. If you'd like to get in touch, contact me on LinkedIn. So let's get started with the course overview. So what are we going to learn? In section 1, we'll find out protocols are extremely powerful and can transform the way we write code. In this section, you will learn how to create and use protocols as well as use protocol-oriented programming patterns to make your code more extensible. In section 2, we'll learn some ways to prevent crashes from occurring and implement error handling, also while thinking about resilience and usability. In section 3, we'll learn why generic programming is important and how to use it. Then, by watching the implementation of a generic networking layer, find out the benefits firsthand and how they will help you write more reusable code. For section 4, we will cover some of the lesser known operators and how you might use them in your own projects. For section 5, discover more about functions, expand your knowledge of the lesser known variations of a function with examples showing you how to utilize them within your own projects. Section 6, learn how to properly handle multiple threads and make apps with more advanced parallelization. Get examples with real-life use cases and find out what to think about when designing multi-threaded Swift code. Section 7, work through examples of how you can structure your code in a way that makes extensions and changes easier in larger projects. Compare the most popular architectural patterns as well as examples of patterns that improve the use of your code. Okay, so what are the goals of this course? We're going to discover the new features and improvements in Swift. We're going to get to grips with advanced design patterns and techniques that help you write smarter and cleaner Swift code. You're going to become more fluent Swift developer and build powerful, impressive iOS and OS X applications. So why should you take this course? This video is for developers who want to dive into advanced concepts of Swift. We're going to go beyond the basics and help you become a better senior developer. If you're a developer that learns best by looking at and writing code, then this is the course for you. So what is in this course? It's not a deep dive into the Swift language. It's a high-level concepts of libraries, patterns, and structuring your code. It's also not a tutorial on the basics of Swift. You should already know that before you watch this video. The prerequisites for this video are a background in Swift. You should know the basics. You'll also need the latest version of Xcode installed. So come join me as we learn how to write better Swift code and create apps that rock. Let's get started.